Hello friends, we will see concept of a row and column widget. In a previous video, in a container, we can see about container contain one child and child widget that contain nested widget. There are certain widgets that allow multiple children to be added within them. So for these, we focus on two of them, its row and column. And we will see how they can use to arrange number of widgets within them. Row is generally used to arrange certain widgets in a horizontal manner across the screen, whereas column is used to arrange widget vertically manner across the screen. Now, let us apply this concept and make some widget displayed in a row. So we begin by defining a body as a row widget, and within this row we can say children. Now difference is that in a container we can use a child because we can accept only single child. That's why it's called child. Since in a row we can add multiple children, so we will use a children. We are using icon widget. We are using icon dot mail outline, and we are defining a size 60. Now we will copy all four children, same as the above icon. Here we are changing in some widget, like we are taking a alternate icon text. Here we are taking mail icon with a text mail and search icon with a search text. Now we are styling a text with a font size. Copy a same style for search text. Now let's make a hard reload and see. Here we can see there are four children. It's look bit odd because there is spacing issue between them. So the concept is behind aligning them into a way that you want. It depends on two different concepts, the main axis alignment and the cross axis alignment of the screen. So to understand, main axis alignment for a row is left to right, and main axis alignment for the column is from top to bottom based on their concept. Now we will add a certain alignment for a row. We will add main axis alignment. There are set of alignment. We use a spans eventually. Now what this does, It does spacing between each of widget from left to right and top to bottom. So it look more organized. Same for a column widget. We will apply a same concept. Here we will change row to column, and now main axis alignment widget for the row for this particular widget from top to bottom. Even space between top to bottom within widget. Thank you guys.